Organizing data. The data which we get may be in an unorganized form. This is called as raw data. In order to use it meaningfully, we'll have to convert it in a systematic manner. Frequency of a subject gives the number of times that a particular entry occurs. The table made is known as frequency distribution table. Check the example below. Frequency of students who like English is 4. Frequency of students who like mathematics is 5. You just find the frequencies for subjects like art and science. Try it out. A group of students are asked for their favorite game. The results were as listed below. Football, cricket, football, basketball, cricket, football, cricket, cricket, basketball, cricket, football, cricket, basketball, football, cricket. Which is the most liked game and which is the least liked game? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Draw the table as discussed and analyze the table.